Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your profile photo private on Facebook app. First, open menu. If you use Android device, at the top right corner click on three lines. If you use iPhone iOS device, at the bottom right corner click on three lines. Next step, open your main profile. At the top you can see your profile. Tap on it. Next step, tap on your profile picture and click View Profile Picture. Next step, at the top right corner, tap on three dots. On pop-up menu, select Edit Privacy. And here select who can see your posts, some different option, and we select Only Me. Just tap on Only Me. At the top right corner, click on Done. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.